Hello, my name's Washboardjim. I'm the founder of the Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy, where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. And let's go ahead and talk about this trading strategy. I was asked earlier on how to catch a knife, and I'm one of the best knife catchers out there today, and we're going to show you about this knife that I was talking about. So we started pulling back right here, and he asked me the question, Jim, how do you catch a knife? I said, it's real simple. You just got to let it go down, do its course. Then once it starts to break out, that's when it catches your attention. So I'm always got a chart of the SPX and the SPY staring. I got 4 monitors. I'm always staring at it. So I know when it's ready to go ahead and move. Then I put it on my main chart. Well, we come and we hit the 200, and I told him to get ready. And as we started to approach at the 200 EMA, this is the SMA, I told him keep watching. We got to wait for this thing to break out of this channel. Once it breaks out of the channel, then it catches our attention. So we had 3 white soldiers right at that breakout on the bottom of that snake. It's a leading indicator that we could go bullish. So I said, now you don't jump in yet. Wait for the pullback. Wait for the good pullback. So as it started to break out, I went ahead and scalped it. I said, wait for the pullback. I want you to learn how to wait for the pullback. So we had the snake, we had the breakout. Now we've got the pullback, which is the 3rd step of the trade. Now this is something that you really need to catch on. So we're ready to take the trade. We're looking at a double bottom to take this trade. That's the chart pattern. The leading indicator that this might run is the 3 white soldiers. You don't have to take them right then. It's just telling you that we might have a continuation run because the volume picked up right there on those soldiers, the buy signal. So as we started the pullback, we were looking for a double bottom or a higher low. I explained to the gentleman, I said a higher low is a very bullish signal. A double bottom is bullish. And then below the double bottom, you're getting kind of bearish. You need to wait for it to come back up and break the double bottom and have some kind of signal that it's going to break out. So we jumped in the trade. I got in at 285, had a double bottom, higher low. That's the key. So you got the snake breakout, double bottom, higher low, boom, 285 to $15, just like that. I scalped it, got back in the trade. It kept going. We had another 3 white soldiers with a spinning top right here. Doji right off the 63, and it was still bullish. Another 3 white soldiers, still bullish. And it just keeps going up and up and up till the end of the day. It ran above $1,500 per contract. So that's the SPX. It's the simplest and easy trade that I could ever explain to anybody when they're studying chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. And you got to learn them candlesticks. That way you can spot a reversal a lot easier once it breaks out. But the secret again, if you're new to trading, wait for the confirmation of the pullback. Snake, 3 white soldiers telling me this thing's real bullish, runs to hits the 63, pulls back to a higher low, and then boom, the end of the story. I'm Washboardjim, the founder of the Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy, where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now.